I'm Amy Catania. I'm Executive Director of Historic Saranac Lake. In 2018, we purchased this building next to our museum at the laboratory to renovate the building for an expansion of our museum exhibits. It needed extensive repairs. Pretty much everything in the building, electrical, plumbing, heating systems, all of the exterior siding needed to be replaced. We knew that it was going to be a really big project. It's a large building. It's about over 6,000 square feet. We got a lot of grants. Two grants that came through HCR, so the New York Main Street grant was really important, the Downtown Revitalization Initiative grant. All of that came together to help us leverage about $1.5 million in private support. This building has just come back to life and really is now a beautiful centerpiece of the community. It's really wonderful to hear people who haven't been connected to our museum, who don't think of themselves as history people, coming up and saying, thank you for doing this. Like, they see that it matters, they see what a difference it's making. What comes next is to design and fabricate and install the museum exhibits for the public. We're really excited to open the new museum exhibits in the summer of 2026.